I spoke to the CEO of Moderna about an hour and a half ago. So the topic of the recent musings by Europe certainly came up. And it was very, very clear that the Canadian contracts that have been signed and the delivery schedule laid out will be respected.
Justin Trudeau says Canada's COVID vaccine supply is secure amid reports the European Union may seek to ban exports of vaccines made in the EU. This comes during a temporary halt in Pfizer vaccine deliveries to Canada and opposition questions over what the Liberals are doing.
Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, they produce the vaccines that are on order for Canada in Europe. So enough with there might not be one now. If the Europeans ban exports of vaccines, what's plan B for Canada?
We're going to keep working with the EU, just as we have throughout this pandemic, to ensure that our supply chains remain open and that something so important like vaccines and the continued delivery of them makes its way to Canada.
Canada is experiencing a vaccine shortage, while the EU has been told it may receive fewer doses from AstraZeneca than it ordered. The AstraZeneca vaccine has yet to be approved in Canada, but concerns over a possible vaccine export ban led Liberal ministers to emphasize that, as far as they can see, Canada's vaccine plans aren't affected.
Every Canadian who wants a vaccine will get one by September. And we are offering very clear, precise details to Canadians. 1.1 million vaccines have already arrived in our country. 6 million doses will arrive by the end of the first quarter.
However, an emergency evening debate on vaccine supply yielded few results, with opposition members pressing for more details on Canada's vaccine contracts, but few answers from the government.
To this day, she has not released one word of one contract of the 7 contracts that this government has signed with vaccine manufacturers, unlike other countries. So in the interest of transparency, will this minister release to Canadians portions of the contracts that at least tell Canadians how many doses we're going to receive, by when, and from who?
Indeed, Mr. Speaker, no other country, to my knowledge, puts out week-to-week delivery schedules. And the reason we put those delivery schedules out, Mr. Speaker, is because we believe that the provinces and territories and Canadians at large need to be able to plan in terms of when vaccinations are going to be occurring in their province.
With little new information coming out of the House, Canadians will continue to wait for updated vaccine delivery schedules or details on Canada's vaccine contracts. In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.